Hi everybody, thanks for coming back to another video. I'm Marty with Wheels with Marty, and today I got a new product that was sent to me. These actually just came out, so there's a lot of, this is the real wheel on the Tesla. But they got these little caps here in the corner. But some of the smaller wheels, not the 19 Novas like this, that they have these caps you could put on there to enhance the look from Tesla. There's not really any for these. Now, it's just a cap that snaps on, but a lot of this stuff just snaps on too. So they sent it to me. We're gonna show you how to put these on. They gave me this, and they also sent me the Tesla center cap right here. So you can kind of see, I'm gonna put this right here in the center. And then you have to pop off. I've already got the center of this popped off from another video I had done at the same time I'm filming this. So I'm gonna show you how to put this on this one wheel. And it's super easy. The hardest part is going to be to put is to get those black pieces that's on there off. And I'd say the most tedious part is to put the foam pieces they send you. So on these, you just pull, just like that. Now these can be a little pain in the butt. You want to kind of pull evenly on both sides because there's little clips right here what's holding them on. Alright, so all these are off. Now this cap that I'm putting on here it has to go on a certain way because there is the valve stem hole, which is right here. So I'm gonna lay this down on something that's not concrete, and I'm gonna install the foam that they sent us right here. And I'm just gonna put it pretty much wherever I think it's gonna contact the wheel at. And the reason you do this is you just don't want it to, if you do decide to take them off, you want to minimize any potential for scratches on the factory wheel, just in case you don't like it or whatever. So wherever you think is the highest contact points, that is where you're going to want to put this foam at. I put it pretty much in the center of each spoke, which is probably where most people are wanting to do it too. Kind of around the edge of where we're gonna call it the ridge of that factory wheel sticks out. You'll see little grooves in here of where that goes. That's where I'm putting this tape at. Now, unlike some of the other products that they send me, this one didn't come with a ton of tape, foam stuff. So this one, you don't want to go crazy with it like I do in some other videos. When I'm installing this stuff from them, I want to use it just a little bit more sparingly and not just go crazy with it. Yeah, so like I said, the hardest part is to get those other caps off. Most tedious part is this, the foam. Just run you a couple pieces down in these grooves. All right, rip that piece off because I didn't want that one. All right. Now you can layer this up a bunch if you want. You just know that you're gonna have to buy more because I've used this really per spoke. I've used this. I'm already about out. I'm going to be down to the wire to do it on the other side there. Now got my tape on. So find your valve stem hole, which is right here. And all you're gonna do, line that up. Make sure you get that lined up there. And then push. That's all there is to it. And that's it. She's on. Easy, easy peasy. Now, I'll show you real quick because I don't have it on the back. So you see the front and then there's the back. So now again, remember, I don't have that centerpiece in right now, but there's the two differences. It gives it more like a sporty look, I guess, and this is more like a classy look. But yeah, that's pretty much it. So remember guys, if you like today's video, make sure to like, comment, subscribe down below. Links to all this stuff will be in the description below. Make sure to use my coupon code WheelsWithMarty for a discount. And yeah, make sure to subscribe and see you next time. See ya, bye.